Hello everyone, you're here because you want to learn about OnParticleCollision and how to set it up correctly in order for the collision to actually happen, in order for the method to be actually called. So let's jump right in. Create a new scene so you don't have to deal with anything else. And create two game objects. The first one is a cube. Let's make it thin, stretch, yeah, good. And then the other one, particle system. Let's put it right below the cube, like so. Good. Now let's look at the particle system. The settings should be some sort of speed, local, world, doesn't matter, emission, shape, doesn't matter, collision matters. Collision has to be turned on and has to be in world space. Send collision messages have to be turned on. Render has to be of mesh type. I'm gonna change it to a sphere because it looks better. And that's it for the particle system side. For the cube, or for whatever model you want to collide with a particle, it cannot be a trigger. It cannot be a trigger. That's it. You can have rigid bodies, whatever attached to it, but it cannot be a trigger. I'll go back to the particle system. Let's put this back. Good. And let's use a simple script. In this case, I'm using void OnParticleCollision, game object, name it, and debug. This is just going to be called, and I'm not going to deal with anything that happens here. I just want this to work for now. So come back here. You can attach it to the cube, or you can attach it to the particle system. Doesn't matter. Both will be called. I'm going to attach it to the cube in this case. And now I'm going to run it. See if it actually collides. Particle hit, particle hit, particle hit. So it does. And that's pretty much how you set it up. And in addition to setting up, I'm actually going to explain that for a particle system to actually collide with something, it needs to have velocity, or it needs to have internal movement via the particle system itself. So it needs a start speed to be at least this. This value you have to try it yourself. I tried 0.0005 before. It sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. It really depends on how you want to collide the objects. But it has to be a relative small number. If you don't want the particle system to be moving, then the only way to do it is have no velocity, or close to no velocity, in order for the collision to work. Like so. So it's a bit of a pain, really. Yeah. Particle system requires velocity, internal movement from the particle system in order for the collision to count as actual collision. So you must have a start speed, or you can have a velocity over time, doesn't matter, it just has to move internally. And that's all you need to make OnParticleCollision, this method, work. Thanks for watching.